Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Saying. Today's tutorial I will show you how to solve equation in form of x square plus ax plus b equals 0. Follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So the first thing we need to do is we need to form an equation in the form of x square plus ax plus b. Press alpha to activate the x. You can see in the video. Square it a, then repeat the same. Alpha x plus b. You can see pressing alpha you can activate b equal 0. So see, you have to define the equal by pressing alpha and then equals 0. Yeah, you can see in the video, else it will show 0. Just remember, you need to define the value of a and b as constants. So how you can do it, I will show you. A equals, let me repeat, press the number you need to store in the function 8, then you can see the function store a. The value will be stored in the a. Similarly repeat for b, and then define the function x square plus ax plus b equal by pressing alpha equals 0 and then press solve. That's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.